أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge with Allah from the evil one, the rejected. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. وَمَن نُّعَمِّرْهُ نُنَكِّسْهُ فِي الْخَلْقِ أَفَلَا يَعْقِلُونَ. If we grant long life to any, we cause him to be reversed in nature. Will they not then understand? وَمَا غَلَّمْنَاهُ الشِّعْرَ وَمَا يَنبَغِي لَهُ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا ذِكْرٌ وَقُرْآنٌ مُبِينٌ. We have not instructed the Prophet in poetry, nor is it meet for him. This is no less than a message and a Quran making things clear. لِيُنذِرَ مَنْ كَانَ حَيًّا وَيَحِقَّ الْقَوْلُ عَلَى الْكَافِرِينَ. That it may give admonition to any who are alive, and that the charge may be proved against those who reject truth. أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّا خَلَقْنَا لَهُم مِّمَّا عَمِلَتْ أَيْدِينَا أَنْعَامًا فَهُمْ لَهَا مَالِكُونَ. See they not that it is we who have created for them among the things which our hands have fashioned, cattle which are under their dominion. وَذَلَّلْنَاهَا لَهُمْ فَمِنْهَا رَكُوبُهُمْ وَمِنْهَا يَأْكُلُونَ. And that we have subjected them to their use. Of them some do carry them, and some they eat. وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ وَمَشَارِبُ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ. And they have other profits from them besides, and they get milk to drink. Will they not then be grateful? وَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ آلِهَةً لَعَلَّهُمْ يُنصَرُونَ. Yet they take for worship gods other than Allah, hoping that they might be helped. لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون. They have not the power to help them, but they will be brought up before our judgment seat as a troop to be condemned. فَلَا يَحْزُنْكَ قَوْلُهُمْ إِنَّا نَعْلَمُ مَا يُسِرُّونَ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ. Let not their speech then grieve thee. Verily, we know what they hide as well as what they disclose. أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الْإِنسَانُ أَنَّا خَلَقْنَاهُ مِنْ نُطْفَةٍ فَإِذَا هُوَ خَصِيمٌ مُبِينٌ. Doth not man see that it is we who created him from sperm? Yet, behold, he stands forth as an open adversary. وَضَرَبَ لَنَا مَثَلًا وَنَسِيَ خَلْقَهُ قَالَ مَنْ يُحْيِي الْعِظَامَ وَهِيَ رَمِيمٌ. And he makes comparisons for us, and forgets his own origin and creation. He says, who can give life to dry bones and decomposed ones at that? قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم. Say, He will give them life who created them for the first time, for He is well versed in every kind of creation. الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون. The same who produces for you fire out of the green tree, when behold you kindle therewith your own fires. أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم. Is not He who created the heavens and the earth able to create the like thereof? Yea, indeed, for He is the Creator supreme, of skill and knowledge infinite. إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون. Verily, when He intends a thing, His command is be, and it is. فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون. So glory to Him, in whose hands is the dominion of all things, and to Him will you be all brought back. صدق الله العظيم.